If there is something I like about the body lotions that are coming out this 2026 is that the manufacturers have taken out their time to know the products that we, the masses, need. Like, they are banging. If your problem is, why is my elbow dark? Why is my knee dark? Why is my body not even? My body is not radiant enough. My body is not giving. Then these body lotions I'm about to rate in this video, just grab one bottle, okay, from any of the companies that you feel like my rating will make you to get. Grab one bottle from them, and I bet you are going to glow up this 2026. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first day you're seeing on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy. Please do not make it be your last. Remember to subscribe and turn the notification bell. And to my returning subscribers, welcome to another video. I took out my time to go to TikTok to search for the trending body lotions that have been making waves on the internet, and I felt like I need to review this with you guys. I need to tell you guys what is popping, what is sopping, the one to use, how to use it, the one that is best for a particular skin type, because this year our goal is to glow. And like I said earlier, these body lotions will even out your skin tone, will make your skin to be brighter, will make your skin to be more even, and most importantly, you are going to be getting the value of your money. So starting off strong, very first body lotion I'm going to be giving the review on will be the Pro Lab Alpha Arbutin and Niacinamide. The particular one contains two powerful ingredients, which is the Alpha Arbutin and the Niacinamide. Alpha Arbutin will help to even out your skin tone, will help to even out your skin, make sure that your skin is even, get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, clear out your dark knee, dark elbow, dark patches, make sure that your skin is even from head to toe, okay? Then the niacinamide will help to support your skin barrier and make sure that your skin barrier is on check. This particular lotion, okay, promises to brighten up your skin and also hydrate your skin. So the hydration and the brightening are in one sentence, meaning that your skin is going to be glowing up in the fastest way possible. So the second body lotion that I think is worth your money this 2026 is the Aqua Rich Hydrate Plus Protect. The particular one, I have talked about it on my channel, okay? Another thing I like about it is just from the name, it hydrates and it protects your skin so well because of the powerful ingredient that it contains, which are ceramides, vitamin E, shea butter, glycerin, and also SPF of 50. Do you understand? Your skin is going to be protected from the harmful UV rays. The ceramide will help to make sure that your skin barrier is on check, that your skin barrier is not broken, and also make sure that your skin is on track. The glycerin will lock in moisture, extra moisture on your skin. One thing that people don't know is that most times we just want to get brightening products. We don't want to look into this hydrating product. This hydrating body lotion will help to hydrate your skin properly, and once your skin is hydrated, your dry skin is hydrated, your skin will no longer be looking dry, ashy, flaky. Your skin will not be moisturized, and then your glow will not come from within. There is kind of glow or radiance that when I see some people, I'll be like, oh my god, you are glowing. That's the kind of glow you are going to be having when you moisturize your skin properly using this particular Aqua Rich body lotion. It hydrates and also protects your skin from the harmful UV ray because it contains SPF 50. So if you want to moisturize your skin, if you want to hydrate your skin, you want to also protect your skin from the harmful UV ray, this is the one that you should lean towards. So the third body lotion is the Body Radiant Glutathione and Papaya lotion. The particular one contains two major ingredients, which are glutathione and papaya extract, which comes from pawpaw itself. It also contains ceramide and also vitamin C, okay? The particular body lotion will brighten up your skin because it contains good ingredient. When you look at the ingredient list, vitamin C is an antioxidant that would help to brighten up your skin in just few weeks. Do you get it? Vitamin C is that powerful. It also contains papaya, which comes from pawpaw, which is an extra that comes from pawpaw, and the particular one helps to brighten up your skin as well. The master of them all, which is the glutathione. Glutathione helps in bringing out a very good renewed skin and making sure that your skin is whiter or brighter than it used to be. So if you're suffering from dullness of the skin, your skin has been dull, you have used countless products and they're not working for you, I would love you to try out this particular one because it contains glutathione. It also contains ceramide that will make sure that your skin barrier is on check. Listen, this skin barrier thing, it goes hand in hand. That is the reason why I love these body lotions that are coming out this 2026. They are making sure that your skin barrier is not broken, and also they are making sure that your skin is brighter and radiant. And just like the name says, body radiant, your body is going to be radiant if you try out this particular body lotion. The next one is also from Body Radiant, but this particular one is the Body Radiant Carrot Glow. This particular one contains carrot extract, and carrot is a whitening ingredient that helps to brighten up one's skin, okay, when used consistently. Do you understand? Aside from the carrot that it contains hyaluronic acid, it contains ceramide, and also alpha arbutin. It contains ceramide just as the other one that I just talked about now, okay? The ceramide will make sure that your skin barrier is on check. Alpha arbutin will even out your skin tone, make sure that your skin is giving what it's supposed to give this 2026. And then it contains hyaluronic acid, which focuses on hydrating your skin. If you're looking for the one that will brighten and also hydrate your skin, just like the Aqua Rich, I would recommend that you go for this particular one from Body Radiant, which is a carrot glow, because it will hydrate your skin and also brighten up your skin. So if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, dullness of the skin, your skin is not even, and you have a very, very dry skin, then I would recommend that you lean towards getting this particular one. So the next body lotion I'm going to be telling you is the Healthy Glow Pro Milk Body Lotion. I have recommended the body lotion to like 3 or 4 clients of mine, and they keep coming back to get it because it is that good. If you want to lighten up your skin and you have been looking for that body lotion that will help to lighten up your skin this 2026, this is the one that I will highly, highly, highly recommend because it contains good ingredients that would help in skin lightening. Emphasis on lightening, not brightening, okay? This one focuses on lightening up your skin. You want to achieve a shade lighter than you are, or 2 shades lighter than you are already, then this is the one that I will recommend that you get. It contains alpha arbutin and kojic acid, and alpha arbutin will make sure that your skin is even, and then the kojic acid that it contains will focus on making sure that your skin is brighter and whiter than it used to be. Like I said, if you want to brighten up your skin, this is not the one to get, okay? You have to get the others that I have already recommended and the ones I'm going to still be recommending as we are going, okay, moving forward. But the particular one is for skin lightening. You want to lighten up your skin the right way, the most safest way. And one thing I like about it is that it is not going to give you dark knuckles, it's not going to give you dark elbow, it's not going to give you dark knees, because it is very, very mild. It contains milk extract, so your skin is going to be like skin like milk. I know you have heard that saying countless times, skin like milk. Your skin is going to be that silky and that milky like milk. So the 6th one is the Mabel Radiance Advanced Brightening and Radiance Glow. This particular brand has been making waves because of the ingredient that it contains and how it promises to brighten up your skin. Now let's look into the ingredient list that will make it to work, okay? It contains vitamin C, tranexamic acid, kojic acid, and ferulic acid. Okay, now let's break it down. The vitamin C is an antioxidant, which you already know, that will help to brighten up your skin. Tranexamic acid is very powerful for skin brightening and toning. If you want to tone your skin, for your skin to be the same skin tone, this is the one that you should get. Okay, it also contains kojic acid that would make sure that your skin appears brighter than the way it used to. The ferulic acid is a good ingredient that works side by side with vitamin C. Any ingredient or any product that contains vitamin C and also ferulic acid, just know that that product will work, because the ferulic acid activates the vitamin C to be very, very effective. Okay, so in this particular one, it is going to make sure that your skin is brighter, your skin cells are being renewed. Okay, it will help to exfoliate your skin because it contains kojic acid and also the tranexamic acid, and most importantly, even out your skin tone. You're not going to be complaining of uneven skin tone, dark elbows, dark knee, dark whatever, when you're using this particular body lotion from Mabel Radiance. They also have other amazing variants, but the particular variant sits well with me because it has to do with intense brightening. Okay, and that's what I want you to do this year. I want you to glow up. The last one I'm going to review to you will have to be the Bitnara Retinol Renewing Body Lotion. The particular one contains retinol, okay, which we already know that retinol would help to give you a new skin cell, revive your skin cell, renew your skin, make sure that it removes dead skin cell on the surface of your skin, and just in general give you a good skin. When your skin has been exfoliated the right way, your skin will be popping, okay, because new skin will now evolve. The old one will be moved away, and then the new one which has come to the surface will not be the one that will be glowing. If you're looking for that affordable body lotion that contains retinol and you think that other variants in the market are quite expensive, then I want you to link towards this one because it is very, very powerful, effective, and also affordable. It would help to make sure that your skin is renewed, your skin cells are renewed, okay? So if you are struggling with textured skin and chronic hyperpigmentation that have lasted longer than it should have, this is the one that I'm recommending for you because it would work and work effectively. It also contains good hydrating ingredient like hyaluronic acid that would help to lock in moisture on the surface of your skin. So trust me, it is not going to strip your skin of its natural oil. So the final thing I'm going to be telling you is not just about you getting these body lotions because of the hype. You can see the way I dissected the ingredients to make sure that they are tailored for specific people. Get the one that you know that is actually tailored for your skin type, your skin consign, and use it consistently. Be patient and be consistent. Once you're patient and you're consistent, I believe you're going to get good results using these body lotions. So if this video was a video that you have been expecting from me on this channel, then there you have it. Do not forget to subscribe and like, share, turn the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video here. And tell me if you want me to rate any category in skincare, okay, just like the way I just grouped the body lotion. If you want me to rate any trending category, maybe the body washes or the bar soaps, and I'll be glad to do that for you guys. Drop a comment in the comment section telling me how you feel, okay, by watching this video. If you learned something or if you have any question in general, I'll be in the comments to respond. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.